हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 9th बी हाइव चैप्टर 5 द स्नेक एंड द मिरर के क्वेश्चन आंसर। इससे पहले आप चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, डू यू लाइक टू लुक एट योर सेल्फ इन द मिरर? वट डू यू थिंक अबाउट एट सच टाइम्स? हैव यू ever seen a dog, a cat, or a bird look into a mirror? What do you think it see? डू अटेम्प्ट इट। ये अपनी तरफ से आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं इसमें, जैसा आपको ठीक लगे। सेकंड क्वेश्चन भी ऐसी है, नाउ रीड दिस होमरेस स्टोरी अबाउट अ डॉक्टर, अ स्नेक एंड अ मिरर। तो आप इसमें भी आप कैसे भी कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, आपकी मर्जी है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, डिस्कस इन पैरास एंड आंसर ईच क्वेश्चन बिलो इन अ शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ 30-40 वर्ड्स। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, the sound was a familiar one. What sound did the doctor hear? What did he think it was? How many times did he hear it? Find the places in the text when and why did the sound stop? तो इसका आंसर है, the doctor heard a familiar sound because by the movements of something on the beam he thought that the sound was being made by the movement of rats. He heard the sound thrice. After the third time the sound stopped. Suddenly he heard a dull thud as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. When he turned, he saw a snake that wiggled over the back of the chair and landed on his shoulder. Second है, what two important and earth-shaking decision did the doctor take while he was looking into the mirror? Second का आंसर है, the first important discussion that he took while looking into the mirror was that he would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome. The second earth-shaking decision he took was that he would always keep his attractive smile on his face to look more handsome. Third question है हमारा, I looked into the mirror and smiled, say the doctor. A little later he say, I forget my dangers and smile feebly at myself. What is the doctor's opinion about himself when he first smiles and second he smiles again? In what way do his thoughts change in between and why? Third answer है हमारा, when the doctor first smiled in front of the mirror, he was appreciating his attractive smile. He decided to keep that smile on his face to look more handsome. His opinion about himself at that point of time was that he was a bachelor and a doctor too. Later, when he smiled feebly at himself, he had forgotten his dangers. He knew that the snake would stick him and that he had no medicines in his room. At that moment, his opinion about himself was that he was but a poor, foolish, and stupid doctor. He thought that had changed because of the lurking dangers. Earlier, he had thought that the noise was created by rats. However, later he had a snake sitting on his shoulders, and that is when he realized that gravity of the situation. Second question देखते हैं हमारा, the story about a frightening incident is narrated in a humorous way. What makes it humorous? Think of the contrast it presents between dreams and reality. Some of them are listened below. First है हमारा, the kind of a person the doctor is money possessions. तो का आंसर है, फर्स्ट का आंसर है फर्स्ट, The story presents a contrast between dramas and reality. This contrast has been depicted in a humorous manner. The doctor had just started his practice. His earnings were therefore meagre. He lived in a small rented room which was not electrified. He had only 60 rupees in his suitcase. Apart from a few shirts and dhotis, he had one solitary black coat. His house was full of rats. However, his dreams and ambition were in contrast to his. He was a great admirer of beauty, and he believed in making himself handsome. He laid great emphasis on the fact that he was unmarried and a doctor. He was too pleased with his appearance. He decided to shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome. The manners in which he decided that the decision is an important one is quite funny. Later, he also made an earth-shaking decision to always keep smiling in order to look more handsome. This contrast between the kind of person he was and the kind of person he wanted to be make the story humorous. Second है हमारा the person he wants to marry, the person he actually marries. He had thought about the kind of person he would want to marry. He wanted to marry a woman doctor who had plenty of money and a good medical practice. Because he did not have any of those, he wanted a fat wife so that whenever he would make a mistake, his wife would not be able to catch him. However, the woman is married was a thin and slender person who could run like a sprint. This contrast between the kind of wife he wanted and the kind of wife he ends up marrying adds to the humorous of the story. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है हमारा his thoughts when he looks into the mirror. He thoughts when the snake is coiled around his arms. When he looks into the mirror, he was full of appreciating for his good looks. He was a great admirer of beauty and believed in the making himself look handsome. He took a close look at his face and decided that he would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look even more handsome. Then he looked into the mirror and smiled. He decided to keep smiling as he considers his smile very attractive. However, later when the snake was coiled around his arms, he turned into a stone. At this moment, he felt the presence of God near him. In his imagination, he tried to write out God in bright letters. He felt pain in his left arms where the snake was coiled. He realized that if the snake struck him, then he did not even have any medicines in his room from the same. That was when he thought that he was a poor, foolish, and stupid doctor. In this way, his thoughts changed from the calling himself an unmarried doctor who looked very handsome to calling himself a poor, foolish, and stupid doctor. This sequence of events also provided him humorous to the story. तो गाइस ये रही हमारी क्लास 9th भी हाइप चैप्टर 5 द स्नेक एंड द मिरर के क्वेश्चन आंसर. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.